Did you know that in 1968, the best basketball player in America refused to play in the Olympics? His name was Lou Alcindor, and he was about to make a choice that would cost him millions. At UCLA, Lou was unstoppable. Coach John Wooden watched him dominate every game with his famous skyhook shot. Everyone expected him to lead Team USA to gold, but when Martin Luther King Jr. was killed, everything changed. Lou had already been questioning his place in America. He converted to Islam and later became Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. At the historic Cleveland Summit, he sat with Muhammad Ali and other brave athletes who were standing up for what was right. When the Olympics came, Kareem made his decision. He would not represent a country that would not represent him and his people. The media attacked him. He lost huge endorsement deals, but he did not back down. His protest was not just about sports. It was about dignity. His skyhook became a symbol of reaching higher, both on the court and in the fight for justice.